A month before a heart attack, your body will warn you with these 8 signals. Don't ignore them. Recently, a heart attack has become the #1 cause of death in the world. This is not strange at all. We all live a stressed and fast-paced life, and we eat all the junk food around us. Thus, this should not come as a surprise. Due to the fact that heart attacks are very common, today we are going to teach you how to recognize the symptoms of a heart attack. If you pay more attention to your lifestyle and just change the old unhealthy one with a healthy one, this will decrease your stress levels and reduce the symptoms of heart failure. Did you know that the symptoms of a heart attack can be noticed even a month before the heart will experience failure? Here are the 8 symptoms of heart attack. 1. Fatigue. If you are feeling tired after a good night's sleep and this does not go away, it might mean that you have a loss of blood flow to your heart. 2. Chest pressure. People might ignore chest pressure due to the fact that they think that is normal or not something alarming. But it is. Chest pressure is the most common symptom of a heart attack. Therefore, the next time you feel it, consult your doctor. 3. Cold sweats and dizziness. What can cause cold sweats and dizziness is poor circulation, which affects the proper blood flow to the brain. This is very important for the operating of the brain, thus resulting in these symptoms. 4. Cold and flu symptoms. Many people experience cold and flu symptoms right before they have a heart attack. Therefore, if they are consistent after a while, you have to consult your doctor because you might be in danger of a heart attack. 5. Weakness. Another sign of an impending heart attack is weakness. When the arteries become narrow, then they do not let the blood circulate properly. This means that the muscles are not getting everything they need, thus resulting in falling. Therefore, you should be very careful if you experience some weakness. The best thing here would be to consult a doctor. 6. Shortness of breath. On the off chance that your lungs don't get the oxygen they require, the heart will likewise not get the blood it needs. This means these 2 frameworks are associated, and in the event that one of them doesn't work, the other won't also. In this manner, on the off chance that you are having a few issues with breathing, you ought to quickly visit the specialist since it may imply that a heart assault is coming. 7. Pain in the chest. Chest pains occur in both men and women. Men should not ignore this symptom because it indicates a heart attack. About 30% of women are affected. This type of pain can happen in both hands, but especially the left one, the lower jaw, neck, shoulder, even in the abdomen. It may be short or long. 8. Arrhythmia. Arrhythmia means missed heartbeat, and it is followed by panic attacks and anxiety. Usually, it happens among women. It occurs unpredictably, and it may be irregular heartbeat or increased heart rate. Your heart rate may be increased by physical training as well, especially in cases with atherosclerosis condition. This irregularity of the heartbeat stays for a minute or 2. If it lasts longer, you may experience dizziness as well as extreme fatigue, and you need to immediately call your doctor. What are the risk factors? As you know, smoking, lack of physical activity, and obesity are most common risk factors. However, there are several factors that people do not usually notice, but they are important in maintaining your health and avoiding a heart attack. Men may experience hair growth in the ear canal. When walking, you experience slight tenderness in the calf muscles. The inner corner of your eye has yellow patches. An earlobe crease. If you experience these symptoms, doctors say that you need to be checked immediately. Normally, people over 40 are at a higher risk of having a heart attack than a younger person. So be aware of these signs. These are every one of the indications that you have to keep an eye out for if there is a heart assault in transit. When you remember them, ensure you treat them promptly. In this manner, be watchful and ensure you keep your cardiovascular well-being in a good condition. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.